Hey, welcome back. I'm Michael Martin with the Lake Company. Glad to have you. Welcome to my February 2010 Lake Keowee Real Estate blog. The purpose of the blog, as always, is to keep you, whether you are a buyer or a seller, up to date on the market and let you know how things are going here at Lake Keowee. Again, thanks for joining me. It's a cool February morning, first week in February, so let's jump right into the numbers. As of February the 2nd, we have 210 waterfront homes for sale on the lake. In January, the past 30 days, we had 7 closings, 7 waterfront homes closed in January, so not too bad for the month of January. And 5 out of those 7 that closed in January were priced under $750,000 or under. So the trend continues into 2010 that I saw in 2009. If you have a quality home priced in that $500,000 to $750,000 range, that's the market for pricing for homes that's getting absorbed into the marketplace. So between $500,000 and $750,000. Once again, 5 of those 7 sold for $750,000 and under. So if you're a buyer out there and you have a budget up to $750,000, this is a great time to be looking because houses and those price points are moving. Interior single-family homes, we have 171 for sale, and we had 3 sales in the month of January. So between the waterfront homes and interior homes, we had about 10 sales the first month of 2010. Waterfront lots, at the end of December, we had a lot of property go off the market because it was the end of the year, end of a quarter, and a lot of those expired. And our inventory actually got down right around the 1st of January to about 350 lots. But those lots have been relisted, been updated, put back on the market. So we've jumped back up to over 425 lots for sale today on the lake. And those are still pretty much mirroring, the numbers from last year over that 400 number. We had 6 waterfront lots sell in January, so it's a pretty good month for January. But here's an interesting fact, and I talked about this starting back in September and October in my November video blog, and also in January. Out of those 6, all 6 of those had a net dirt sales price of under $300,000. Now you say, what does net dirt mean? Let's take that you have a lot and it sold for $315,000, and you've got a $25,000 dock that was on it. That's going to give a net dirt price, so you always compare dirt to dirt, gives a net dirt price under $300,000 sale price because you subtract out the price of the dock. So all 6 of these sold that we had in January for under $300,000. So the same trend is continuing that we saw in the 3rd and 4th quarter of last year in 2009. That if you have a quality lot and with some good water in a quality neighborhood, if it's priced between about $250,000 and $300,000, it's going to sell in the marketplace. So a couple of things: if you're a seller out there and you've got a lot that you'd like to move between that price point, call me, because chances are we're going to be able to move that property. Number 2, if you're a buyer and you listen to the video and your budget is under $300,000, or say maybe $320,000, $325,000, and you could go, right around that $300,000 range, pick up the phone and call me, because these are the lots that are getting sold. The market is telling us that if you got the quality lot between $250,000, $225,000, $250,000, $300,000, as you can see, those are the ones that are getting absorbed into the marketplace. The buyers and the market are dictating that. That is the price points as we move into 2010 to sell waterfront properties. So people say, I'm going to time the market, I want to get in. When's the best time to be looking at property and making offers? Is what we have going on right now. Your inventory is up, interest rates are low, and we have a price point that we see that pricing on waterfront lots and homes is getting absorbed into the marketplace. So that tells me that as of right now, and like I said, it holds true from the end of 2009, 3rd and 4th quarter is showing true into 2010. If you're that $250,000 to $300,000 buyer, get on the horn and give me a call, because there's some great opportunities out there. If you're going to keep waiting, it goes lower and lower. Right now the market numbers are not telling us that's what it's going to do. The market numbers are telling us $250,000, $275,000 are the price points to be in to buy and sell waterfront lots, okay? Interior lots, 417 available, and we had 1 sale as far as interior lots. So you know, the inventory's up across the board with the homes and lots, and you know, that's been up since '09. It's going to be about that same way in '10. So as always, I want to give you a quick update as to January, as we move into February here. Look forward to getting back to you the first week of March. Hopefully it starts to warm up just a little bit, and look forward to seeing you then. As always, got any questions, buyer or seller, pick up the phone and call me, or go to my website, you know, thelakecompany.com, where you're watching the video today, and just send me an email, and be more than happy to get back to you. Thanks again. Look forward to seeing you in March.